Hi all, this is Jay Surya from Android Pandit. Welcome to my channel where you will totally learn about how to develop Android applications as a beginner. In this section, we will learn about what is the platform for developing Android applications and how to install the software in your PC or machine. Android Studio is the best platform for developing Android applications, which is powered by IntelliJ software. It is the most powerful and user-friendly IDE for developing applications. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. You will know why it's powerful and user-friendly once we go deep into the Android in further courses. Here is the installation procedure of Android Studio. In order to install Android Studio, your PC must contain the JDK, which is Java Development Kit. In order to install JDK, you can open any browser. I am using Google Chrome here and just type JDK and you can search for it. And you can open the link which is given by Oracle. And then you can click on JDK download. And then you can search for the link for your system. Mine is Windows 64-bit and the file size is about 162 MB. You can check which suits for your system configuration. Mine is Windows 64, so I will install by clicking on this link. I have to accept the license by the Oracle software. I'll just tick mark it and then I will download. The download starts. I'll just pause the download because I have already installed this JDK in my system. Once after installing JDK, you will get the setup file in your file manager such that you can run that setup file and you can install JDK successfully. Once after installing the JDK successfully, you have to set the path for JDK. In order to set the path, you can just open File Manager and then you can go to this PC and then after C drive and then you can go to Program Files and then you can open Java. If you cannot see Java folder here, then you have not installed the JDK properly. If you have installed properly, then you will get the Java folder here. You can open the Java folder and then you can open JDK 14 and then you can open bin file. After opening bin file, you can just copy the path. After copying the path, you can open Advanced System Settings in your PC. In order to open Advanced System Settings, you can go to Control Panel and then you can search for System and then click on Advanced System Settings here. After opening Advanced System Settings, you will notify with a tab like this and where you should click on Environment Variables and then you have to add your path here. In order to add, just click on New and give the variable name as Java Home and paste the link which you have copied from there. I think I have done the name wrong, okay. And then click on OK. I have already given the path so that I'll not click OK. You can click on OK and then you can click OK here and then after here. Done with the JDK installation. Now it's time to install Android Studio in your PC. In order to install Android Studio, again open any web browser and then type androidstudio.com. After clicking androidstudio.com, you can search for the link which is given by Android developers, which is the official one, and you can open that link. You can see the documentation here. If you are interested, you can read this before installing Android Studio. You can download Android Studio latest version from here. You can just click on this link. Here you go. You have got the download link of Android Studio here, which is the latest version 3.6.3 for Windows 64-bit and the file size is about 756 MB. You can just download by clicking here and you have to accept the terms and conditions. If you are interested, you can always read those and then click on the tick mark and then you can download it here. Yes, the download starts. I'll just pause the download because I have already installed it in my PC. After installing Android Studio, you will again get a setup file in your file manager. You can just run that file by clicking on next and giving the path for storing the projects, and you will be installed with Android Studio successfully. Once after installing the Android Studio, you can just open. I want to give you the overview of Android Studio such that we can work properly in the next projects by starting developing apps. Here you go. You will get a tab like this where you can start the new Android Studio project, open an existing Android Studio project, check out the project from version control. If you have any doubt that you have not installed the updated version, then you can just click on configure and then you can just check for updates. I have used the updated version. If you have any doubt, you can just check for updates here. Yeah, you have already have the latest version of Android Studio and plugins installed. That's cool. That's it for this video. If you have any doubts and errors, you can just comment out such that I can solve them. Thank you guys for listening. If you like the video, just subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.